Hi, my name is Abby. I wanted to hop on here and give a quick review on these Balance of Nature fruit and veggie capsules. They are supplements, and they are good supplements that only contain fruits and veggies, which is really nice. So you don't have to worry about any ingredients that you don't know about, because it's just fruits in here and veggies in here, which is super nice. You are supposed to take 3 a day. These ones I can take easily, they taste fine. These ones do taste not the greatest to me. However, I just stick all 3 that I need to take a day in my mouth at once and swallow them, no big deal. I do notice that I get more energy when I take these, and I just think that they are great ingredients and a great supplement to add to your daily routine.